Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Ford F-150. 7-star auto sales, drive the dream, own the legend. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Feast your eyes on the 2009 Ford F-150 FX4. Powered by a Triton 5.4L flex fuel V8 engine, it boasts 320 horsepower and 390 foot-pounds of torque. This Sterling Grey Clearcoat Metallic beauty features a black cloth interior and has under 126,000 miles, averaging less than 8,000 miles per year. Well maintained and in excellent condition, it comes with a clean CARFAX report. Don't miss out. Visit our dealership, take this beast for a spin, and fall in love. Drive off into the sunset with the 2009 Ford F-150 FX4. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.